Sure ako by now, alam niyo na kung saan na naman galing tong mga to. Matik na kung saan maraming discounts and buy one get one ordered via SM Malls app. It's Netflix day and we got some orange chicken and garlic pepper steak from Panda Express. Itong buy one take one na salt and pepper squid from Classic Savory, Sincerity fried chicken, and our favorite na Mickey Bihon Benondo again from Classic Savory. Okay, honestly hindi ako fan ng Panda Express. Tried it mga twice for delivery before and nadala kami kasi parang di na fresh yung nade-deliver. But then we decided to give it a try again and na-shock kami. Ang sarap. Bagong luto talaga, hot and fresh and puno yung box. Super na-enjoy namin. First time ko lang din matry itong Sincerity fried chicken and it was pretty okay naman. Parang ang unique ng spices. Juicy and bagong luto rin. Itong salt and pepper squid, super sarap. Sana lang mas maliliit yung cut sa squid next time. Sobrang lalaki kasi pero ginupit-kupit na lang namin. Pero grabe, pati yung suka ang sarap. Perfect pang pair sa rice. Yung Mickey Bihon Benondo, still so good. Generous pa din with sahog and masarap pa din talaga yung kikiam.